They're a lot smaller than I thought they were going to be, and they're a lot smaller than the ones that I'm currently wearing. Okay. Ooh, this is so weird. Hi guys, who remembers last year when I was contacted by Firmoo.com to talk about these glasses that I am currently wearing on my face? No, you don't remember that? Well, don't worry, because it's that time again. Because they got in contact with me and wanted to send me another pair, which is really, really cool. And I'm gonna give a review on the new pair and also talk about how it's been wearing these for a year now. So my package literally just arrived today, like 10 minutes ago. We're gonna open it and see how the new ones look on me. Once again, it's come with a fabric glasses case holder, which is different to the one that I got last year. It just says Firmoo on this one. Last year it had like a design on it. And then inside is the actual case, and it's the exact same case that I have for these ones. And again, just like last year, you get given spare, like, you know, these little nose plastic bits in the middle. You get spare ones of those, which is really helpful, but I didn't use them for this pair, although I probably should have, because it's actually gone a little bit green inside, which isn't very nice. So maybe I should change them. We're gonna try on the new pair first. Ooh, okay. The pair that I'm wearing currently are, well, you can see they're kind of like oval. They're really big on my face, but they're tortoiseshell. These ones are black. They're a lot smaller than I thought they were gonna be, and they're a lot smaller than the ones that I'm currently wearing. Okay. Ooh, this is so weird. What do we think? They're so square. I'm not used to this. You know, you always get that weird feeling when you put on a new pair of glasses for the first time. Oh, it's very odd. Okay, we're gonna zoom in a little bit just so you can see. So yeah, these are the new glasses. What do we think? I like them. Let me take my hair out. Ah! I always get really worried about like ordering glasses online. It was a lot easier this year because I'd already done it last year and I knew the process and I knew what kind of shape really suited me really well. And it is this big oversized shape that looks good on my face apparently. But yeah, it's always like a bit of a worry that they're not gonna look good or they're not gonna fit or something. But yeah, these fit really well. They're not as big as my other ones. So there's this metal detailing on the sides that I think is really cute. Like my other ones were just kind of plain on the sides, where this has a really nice metal kind of detailing. They've also got metal like here on the front of the actual glasses. And this is a close-up of the actual glasses. I think they sit really nicely on my face. I do really like this little silver bit like on the edge, and they've also got like the same design right in the middle. So yeah, those are pretty cool. So in comparison to the ones that I've got, they are slightly smaller, which is good because I do find that with these ones, they slip down my face so much, like I'm constantly pushing them back up my face. So it's good that they are smaller than my other pair. The frames themselves are like sturdier. I feel like these, because these are a lot thinner, it was kind of always like a worry to me that I was gonna like break them easily, whereas these are quite thick, so that's good. Also, disclaimer, I paid to have my lenses thinned out because I have such bad eyesight that if I don't thin them out, they're going to be so thick on the actual lenses, so I paid extra for those. To give you a review on how it was wearing a pair of Firmoo glasses for a whole year, yeah, that kind of sums it up. Like, I love them, and these are my favorite pair of glasses I've ever owned. But after a while, like it took them a long time to get like that. So you can see that, oh, it just kind of flops down. And I probably just need to screw it back up a little bit just to tighten it a bit. But when I've had glasses from other companies, they haven't done that in 2 years. That started happening about maybe 2-3 months ago. So around about the year mark, they started to get a little bit loose, but the other side's fine, so. And like I said earlier, you can see it has gone slightly green on the middle, which is a bit gross. So I should probably change those, especially as I actually have spare ones. But overall, I've actually loved these glasses, and I'm so excited that they contacted me again to promote their company on my channel. I know a few people who did actually purchase Firmoo glasses after I made that video, which is super cool, and I hope you like your glasses as much as I like mine. So if you want the exact same pair of glasses that I'm currently wearing, I will leave a link to them in the description below. You can also still get this pair of glasses as well. So if you want these glasses that I'm always wearing in my videos, they will also be in the description below. As part of Firmoo's service, you can buy one pair of glasses and get one free. Their glasses are so cheap as well, like the frames are so cheap, and to thin out the lenses, if that's something you need to do, it's not that expensive. I paid, I think it was about £12 to thin mine out. I think it looks so good. It looks better than on these ones. That's also probably because the frames themselves are slightly thicker. Let me know what you think of my new glasses. I do actually really like them. So if you want to purchase any of the Firmoo products, I will leave obviously a link in the description, so definitely go check them out. I highly recommend them. This is the second time I've worked with them, and you know, it'd be nice to get another little email this time next year. If you want. Hint, hint, I do like your glasses. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, give it a thumbs up. My new glasses videos always seem to do quite well on the channel, so check out my other videos if you haven't already, and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you soon for another video.